Hi all! We are back with another Halloween tutorial. Let's see how to draw a Halloween illustration. Start by drawing a witch. Make use of our shape stencil for perfect eyes. As shown in the video, draw the other parts of the witch. You add any elements which you prefer to make your witch. Now start drawing the flying broom. Again, using our convenient features like quick shapes and ruler. Let's simply draw beautiful scenery. As shown in the video, you can use various shapes to draw a house. Likewise, use an oval to draw a tree. Now to the coloring part. Color the witch in your preferred colors easily by using our color wheel. Using the roller brush, start giving highlights to the witch. Doesn't it bring an attractive look to your art? Add a rose cheek for the witch. Don't forget to add highlights to add the parts of the witch. Now start coloring the house and add some highlights for it as well. Add any color shades which you prefer for your satisfaction. Then color the tree as well. Now duplicate the house and place it on the canvas. Similarly, repeat it to the trees as well. Easy, isn't it? Now add some bushes as well. Click on the cloud in the Shapes library and easily draw some clouds. Also, add some stars in the sky. Lastly, darken the background and there you go. Using drawing desk tools, you can draw your Halloween illustration in a few minutes. Check out our other Halloween tutorials now and try them for free.